Hi, I'm Norman and today I'm at the Fraunhofer IWU in Dresden, Germany. I want to show you how to get along with exposure times while using GOM-Inspect. But first, why do we have to deal with exposure times at all? Let's imagine there is a nice light surface that should be scanned. The projected fringes can easily be seen by the cameras. The exposure times can be very short. Now, what's happening if the surface would be dark? Maybe glossy as well. Then the cameras will need more time to capture the small amount of reflected light. That means the exposure time has to be quite long. On the other side, if the exposure time is set too long, there will be no image contrast left and no data at all is captured. But don't be scared, thankfully GOM-Inspect can do all the handling of exposure times for you automatically. Let's give it a try. I want to digitize this drill hammer housing. As you see, it has some light and some dark surfaces that will require individual exposure times. For this purpose, I'm using the GOM-Scan 1. After wiring it up, that's it. We see the live camera image in GOM-Inspect offering multiple modes of automatic exposure times. There is Automatic by Matrix that computes up to 3 different exposure times for the whole field of view. In our case, it comes up with a setting for the light surface and a second setting for the dark one. The second option is Automatic by Spot. Here the exposure time is determined for the central spot of the camera image. GOM-Inspect can also just compute the exposure time for reference points, leaving the right choice for the part to you. And finally, the old-fashioned way, setting the option to interactively lets you choose the exposure times completely by yourself. Choosing this setting still gives you the option to manually start the automatic calculation by pressing these buttons. Have fun with your next project, thanks for watching and have a great week no matter where you're watching from. Goodbye.